Felicia. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. In today's video, I am going to be doing 3 simple DIYs just in time for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So before we begin, I'm just going to show you my simple supply list. Right here, I just have a assortment of some yarn that I have left over. I have it in the white and I also have it in the red. I also have some ribbon. I have the XO hearts and the red check design. I also have some of those popular heart grapevines. So I am going to be using these. Of course, you're going to need some scissors. And I'm also going to need this foam board, and this will make sense after a while. I'm going to be using that. And so let's get started. Let's start with my first DIY project, and I am going to be creating a yarn heart. The first thing I'm going to start with is just some simple white computer paper, and if you have a computer, I'm pretty sure you have some. I'm just going to take it and I'm going to fold it in half. Now, if you have some hearts already in your home, then you can skip this step and just trace a heart out. Or if you can draw beautifully and you know how to draw a heart free-handedly, you can just totally skip this step. But I am not, so I have to do mine this way. So I've already cut out several. I did some practice runs because I'm looking for a particular size. So I've already cut out quite a few, and this one is okay. This one is okay. I think I'm gonna like this one better, and this one is a little bit too big for my project right now. So I'm going to take this one here, and this is going to be my small heart. And so the next thing I'm going to do is use my foam board. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in place. And I'm just going to take my heart here. I'm going to place it down and trace it on the foam board, and I'm going to cut that out. So stay tuned. So now I have cut out my little heart, as you can see right here. So this is where we're going to take the yarn, and I've been doing a lot of crafting, so I don't have a whole lot of yarn. So this is how you're going to take this heart, is you're going to take your yarn, place it in the center of your heart, just like this, and you're going to hold it down, and you're just going to start wrapping. So let me go ahead and get this row started. Now you can use some hot glue or whatever glue that you have on hand, but once you get this first row going, it'll start sealing in your yarn. So you're just gonna start wrapping this yarn around the foam, this heart foam shape that you just made, until you get it all filled up. So you're probably going to have to wrap it a lot of times. This is a good project to do if you are watching a nice movie, doing a commercial or something like that. This is definitely, and all you're doing is you're just taking your yarn and you're just wrapping around that form, and you're going to keep wrapping around until you have covered up your entire form. Now I like mine to be totally covered, and I like it to look kind of full. So you just keep on wrapping. Okay, and so as you can see, I'm filling up this foam, and then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna come across here because I've got to get all that covered up. So I'm just gonna wrap and keep on wrapping. And this will be a fun little project to do with your little kiddos, with your nieces and nephews, if you're a teacher, if you're doing face-to-face school, something to do, to have the kiddos to do. Just a fun little easy project. So I'm gonna finish doing this and I'll be right back. So now we have our heart. This is our yarn heart, all wrapped. Okay, as you can see there. And I did run out of yarn because I only had a little bit left, but I'm going to show you how to decorate this heart. For my next DIY project, I'm going to show you how to do the Felicia Miniature Bow. So you will need some ribbon, of course, and I'm going to use this beautiful ribbon here with the XOXO. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this just about this length here. I'm really not going to measure it. I'm just eyeballing it, so I'm just going to measure it for your sake. So I say this is about 5. This is going to be about 5 inches here. I might make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm just going to fold it. I already kind of cut this tail right here at an angle. I'm just going to fold it and make my first loop. Then I'm just going to scrunch it here in the center like this. And then I'm just going to come underneath there. And I'm going to make the second loop. And I'm going to connect it right back at that center again. I'm going to scrunch it. And then I'm going to come back again and make another loop and rejoin it again at the center. Because I want to have 2 loops here. Okay, so now I'm just going to take, let's make sure I got my 2 loops. I'm going to come back again and I'm going to gather that right at the center again, and then I'm just going to hold it in that center, and I'm just going to cut my ribbon at an angle. Make sure you got some good sharp scissors too. Okay. And then this is my little miniature bow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use some wire, and I'll come back and show you how it looks. So now I'm just gonna use my little floor wire here, and I'm just gonna take it, and right in that center, I'm gonna wrap this floor wire around the center of that ribbon, and I'm just gonna twist it. I'm gonna bend it, and I'm gonna take that wire and twist, just like that, twist it. And then I'm just gonna open up my bow and fluff it out, just like I would any other size bow. I'm trying to get it at an angle so you can see. So you just go ahead and fluff that out and get it like you want it. Okay, you guys, so I have made a bunch of these little bows. So I am officially calling these the Felicia 2-loop bow, because you have 2 loops and you have your tail. So I made some in the red and white check, and I made some in the XO hearts. So now I'm going to, for the next DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to create an ornament to put on your Valentine's tree. Or you can take this same concept and use it throughout any season. Now for the next project, we're just going to take these heart grapevines, and I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. I have 5, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to create this. I love these little grapevine heart-shaped wreaths. You could actually use these year-round and not just for Valentine's Day, but I'm going to give it this little flair to it. And because the Valentine tree that I'm doing, which is the second one that I'm creating, is red, white, and pink, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little miniature 2-loop Felicia bow, and I'm just going to attach this to the grapevine to give this grapevine a little visual interest. And I'm just attaching it to the grapevine just like that, and instantly you have a fabulous ornament that you can use on your tree, or you can use it wherever you like. And you can use any color ribbon or any detail you like, but this is the ornament that I have created. So simple. Now you can take a chenille stem and attach it to the branch if you're going to use it on a tree, or you can just insert this slide the branch through and put this on the tree. So there's your ornament. Okay guys, now I'm just showing you all the ornaments that I have made. I have made 5 ornaments. I've used an entire pack, and as you can see, I have some with the red and white buffalo check pattern, and then I have some that have the XO hearts. And so I'm going to use these to attach to my Valentine's theme tree. So now I am showing you the white yarn heart that I made, and I also attached the red and white buffalo check to this heart as well. Aren't these just absolutely adorable? Just a simple, inexpensive way to create your own Valentine ornaments or decor piece, because when you purchase these bows in the store, they're going to run you, probably, if you're going to get these miniature bows in a set, unless you go to the Dollar Tree. I know Walmart had some. I was looking for some small bows. They're going to run you anywhere from $5 to $8. So to take some ribbon that you already have that's only $1 and make your own, this is budget friendly. Okay, you guys, this completes my video for the day. It's been fun creating these little adorable DIY projects with you. And if this is your very first time stopping in, thank you so much. And please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with anybody that you know. So until the next video, happy decorating and happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.